And it all starts on Twitch. Ah, Twitch, home of the Kappa Omega Lulz, Kek W, Pega, Pepe Hens, and of course, And you can't forget about your favorite streamer, guys. Alinity, Wings of Redemption. Ever since Amazon purchased Twitch, people have been making a lot more money from the Amazon Prime feature, which I assume most people have, or at least their parents have it. What that means is that Twitch is now flooded with a bunch of kids that have access to their parents' Amazon account, that have access to a couple dollars that they can give to their favorite streamers. Here's an example of one of my favorite streamers, Asmongold, talking about Twitch Prime during the peak of Classic WoW, pulling in a massive 100,000 live concurrent viewership. Unfortunately, the servers went down, so technically he just got a couple $1,000 sitting in a login screen.
Oh, we hit 100,000 viewers, thank God. Guys, please click the button up above that says subscribe, and if you have a free Twitch Prime subscription, please go ahead and give it to me. I need your subs. I only have right now 25,000 subs. Okay, and now my thing's crashed. Okay, yeah, there you go. Thank you, guys. Yep, okay, come on, keep it going, keep it going. We're gonna take 1 second here. I'm gonna put on a song here, and what song should I do for this? And all right, I think that we're good. Let's go back to the video. All right. Oh wait, they're still going. Okay, just a minute. I'll give it. Okay, all right, never mind. We'll keep going. Yep, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, let's go, let's go. So we've only gone up. Oh fuck, we've only gone up 1,000 subs. It's only 1,000 subs. That's it.
This is just an example of the power of Twitch Prime, and just how mentioning it, Asmongold farmed over 1,000 subscribers in over 10 minutes. Usually you'll find at least one person who hasn't used their subscription yet. On top of it all, subscriptions start at $4.99 and can go all the way up to $24.99 per month. Donations on Twitch can come in forms of subscribers, actual money, and bits. You can give people subscribers, and that's pretty self-explanatory. You can also donate via PayPal. Usually streamers will have donations read aloud, so that's a huge incentive for people to donate. It's your time to have all the spotlight, and for all of Twitch chat to see your message in your futile attempt to try and be funny.
I just came back from a cruise without any internet. It was really boring. But I could wait to come back home to bust the fattest nut to your stream.
Or you can use Twitch's own currency, which is bits. This is a lot more secure because you hear of people getting charged back on some of their donations that they get. Some people like donations, some people don't. I think it creates a unique atmosphere for anything to happen. It can sometimes stir the pot, and most importantly, you're actually able to connect with your favorite idol. Imagine trying to ask Michael Jordan a question. It's not happening. But for a couple dollars, you're able to directly speak to your favorite content creators on Twitch. There's no specific reason as to why I chose these people. I actually watch them. I have nothing against this type of content. I think it's amazingly awesome how they're getting paid to do that. It makes me want to keep working so that maybe one day I can work towards doing something similar towards that. Something real passive, if you know what I mean.
Abe, don't go in there. Abe, you fucking stupid. I told you, don't go in the front door. I just... Okay, chat. Not every fat animal is me.
So if you see in the corner, he has the number of subscribers listed. So if you do a little bit of math, 9,000 times $3.50 is around $31,500 from watching YouTube videos just off of subscriptions. Just from that, you can assume from donations of bits, subscribers, running ads, merch, sponsorships, and the content that he gets to reproduce on YouTube from his Twitch live streams, he is well making over $40,000 a month watching YouTube videos. Just from his stream, his editors can make YouTube videos of the highlights and get even more YouTube revenue. Some of the coolest things about Twitch is that you can stream almost anything. On YouTube and Instagram, you will get your posts removed or flagged if you have certain types of music in your videos. Whereas on Twitch, you have the liberty to stream almost anything reasonable. You're allowed to swear if that's your preference, whereas YouTube, your videos would be demonetized. In conclusion, on Twitch, their job is to entertain, just like Tosh.0 or Ridiculousness. Their job is to entertain. It doesn't matter what you're doing as long as you make the content interesting enough for people to watch. That's the beauty of Twitch. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I put a lot of time into it, and until next time, it's been a pleasure.